Hi guys, I'm Ms. Graf. I'm one of 4 teachers who teach geometry in the school, so we are going to start our construction videos with congruent segments. So the first thing we're going to learn today is how to construct congruent segments. So we're always given a line, or a line segment for that matter, and a line segment has 2 endpoints. I'm going to label mine A and B. They might already be labeled for you, but if they're not labeled, give them 2 letter names. So I'm going to label mine A and B. Line segments do not go on forever. So the first step that we're going to do is number 1, we're going to draw a line, and then we're going to label a point on the line. You should draw a line using a straight edge. I do not have one big enough for the board, so I'm going freehand it, but you should always use a straight edge like a ruler or a protractor. So I'm going to draw my line. And you're going to label point. I'm going to label mine A prime. That was step number 1. Step 2 is you're going to place your compass and put the needle point on A and put the pencil point on B and draw an arc. So I'm going to abbreviate needle point for compass and put needle point on A and draw an arc. Through B. Right? This arc. So, I'm going to take my compass, put my needle point on A, put my compass, and draw an arc right through B. Then you're going to freeze the compass. Do not move the distance between the needle point and the pencil point. So here is my step 2, and I'm going to freeze the compass. Don't forget to freeze the compass. Then you won't, if you don't freeze the compass, then you won't have equal distances. So, with that frozen compass, you are then going to put the needle point on A, the same distance. So, if I froze my compass, same distance. Come down here and draw a brand new arc and label that point. So, step 3 is going to be, you're going to put your needle point on A prime and draw your arc. So with that, I now have B prime. So my distance from A to B and A prime to B prime should be the same if I kept my distances the same. So you can check that by measuring it with your compass lengths or with a ruler. So now we've done that, we can then conclude that segment AB is congruent to segment A prime, B prime. And we can say this because we just constructed a radius of a circle up here with the center A. We went out and drew a radius. So this is part of a circle. If you could imagine a circle going all the way around here, coming up. So this is just the radius. And all radii of a circle are congruent. So if this is the same length here, and this is the same length here, then we know that segments AB and A prime, B prime are congruent, which means they're the same length.